Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2020-25 SDX. What a great boat. It's powered by a Mercury 300. It's plenty of horsepower. This is a really fast boat. Let's start. It's got sea deck throughout the entire boat, which is absolutely very comfortable underneath your feet. Large cooler for hanging around in the back so you can lounge facing this way. If you're not using the back and you want to lounge inside the boat, you flip it over, slides back. Very cool. Now you've got a very large seating area all the way around, almost a full 360. Recessed cooler, huge storage all the way along in here. Then also, when we flip back there, the seat goes this way. You've got the Simrad, so you've got a really nice, beautiful dash. Very comfortable. You've got a large room down here. You can actually lay down. Two people can lay down. It's got the head down there as well for privacy. And then as we move to the bow, nice area up front. 6 adults comfortably up here, 3 here and 3 facing this way. Speakers, drink holders, very comfortable, and finishes off with the beach boarding ladder. Great for just pulling right up to the beach, getting on and off. It's great. You've got the sport top on here. It's an absolutely great boat. If you have any questions on it or would like to make an appointment to come see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.